In 1768, botanist Carl Linnaeus marveled at the mystery of asexual plant reproduction. Why did some plants, like strawberries, thrive without seeds? In the lush gardens of Uppsala, Sweden, Linnaeus observed runners, stems that spread and rooted, creating clones. This was nature's way of ensuring survival in harsh climates. Imagine a world where plants adapt without pollinators. Linnaeus's discovery led to modern agricultural techniques, boosting food production. Today, asexual reproduction is vital for crops like potatoes and bananas. Who knew a simple garden could hold such secrets? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.